Hey everyone, welcome back to another walk around video here at Lakewood Chevrolet. Today's feature is this one owner accident-free 2019 Volkswagen Golf R. This all-wheel drive hatchback is fitted with carbon fiber mirror caps, a blind spot monitor, LED headlights and taillights, a spacious trunk, quad tip exhaust exits, and rolling on black 19-inch wheels. What makes this car so fun to drive is a turbocharged 2-liter i4 engine paired with a 7-speed DSG transmission, delivering 288 horsepower and 280 foot-pounds of torque. Moving to the inside, you'll find heated leather seats that are power adjustable, heated power exterior mirrors, and automatic headlights. On the steering wheel, you have your adaptive cruise, lane assist, and park assist controls all on the left side, and on your right you have your hands-free and display controls. And straight above that you have your digital gauge cluster. Other features include a push-to-start button, dual-zone automatic climate control, and an 8-inch touchscreen that shows the navigation system, performance monitors, park pilot, rear view camera, and allows hands-free calling through Bluetooth connectivity, which is sounded through the premium Fender audio sound system. Stop by today at Lakewood Chevrolet and check out this sweet 2019 Volkswagen Golf R.